Hello everyone, my name is Oscar. Today we are going to make seaweed rice balls. Seaweed rice balls are popular in Korea and many children love eating them. So I do. Seaweed rice balls are really delicious and easy to make. Our little chefs are ready to make this. We are ready too. How about you? Yeah! Let's do it.
Hi everyone, my name is Fred. Today we are going to make seaweed rice ball. Ingredients: we need rice, carrot, corn, sausage, ketchup, chili sauce, mayonnaise, and seaweed. First, I add the carrot. Now I add the corn. Add sausage dress, seaweed, chili sauce, ketchup, and mayonnaise.
Excellent job everyone. Now we will mix it all together. Wow, it looks so tasty.
Yummy! I'm David. I'm Mira. We will grow rice balls.
Our seaweed rice balls look amazing. Wonderful job everyone. I hope you enjoyed our video and cooking with us today. If you like our video, follow us, like us, and comment.